In a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, life was simple and happy until the day a fiery dragon appeared. The dragon soared through the sky, breathing flames that lit up the night. The villagers were terrified. "We need a hero," they cried. Sir Leo, the bravest knight in the land, stepped forward. "I will face the dragon and protect our village," he declared, gripping his sword and shield. The journey to the dragon's lair was long and treacherous. Sir Leo crossed dark forests, climbed rocky mountains, and even outsmarted a mischievous troll. Finally, he reached the dragon's cave, where smoke curled from the entrance. With a deep breath, Sir Leo entered. The cave was vast and glowing with heat. In the center lay the dragon, its shimmering scales reflecting the firelight. But as Sir Leo raised his sword, he noticed something unexpected: tiny, chirping sounds. Peeking out from behind the dragon were 3 baby dragons, their eyes wide and curious. The fierce dragon wasn't attacking the village out of malice, it was protecting its babies. Sir Leo lowered his sword. "I didn't know you were a mother," he said softly. The dragon's fiery eyes softened. "I only wanted to keep my little ones safe," she rumbled. Sir Leo thought for a moment. "What if we found a way for you and your babies to live peacefully, away from the village?" The dragon agreed, and together, they found a hidden valley far from the village, where the dragon family could live in peace. Sir Leo returned to the village as a hero, not for slaying a dragon, but for finding a solution that saved everyone. From that day on, the villagers and the dragons lived in harmony, and Sir Leo became known not just for his bravery, but for his kindness.